guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This week's video is going to be all about cleaning the lichens off of my natural wood catwalk. When I first moved into this house, I saw those things on there and I didn't think anything of them. Recently, I posted a mold test kit video. You guys can check it out right there. And I did test for mold on 2 places on my catwalk. I'm gonna take care of that today. I would rather kill all of the lichens, or try to, and prevent it from coming back rather than having to replace that catwalk. So we're going to see if that does the job, and if not, then I will have to end up replacing it. Just a note, I have pre-treated all of the different pieces of wood that had lichens on them 3 times. So for 24 hours at a time, I would spray them and then let them dry. Before I did this, I noticed that they were alive, and now that I've been looking at them, they kind of look dried out and dead. So this will help us be able to take a bristle brush and scrape them off easier, and then we're going to treat the entire area again just as a preventative measure. So let's get to it. First things first, you want to make sure that you have a mask and gloves. Supposedly when mold is agitated or stimulated, there are mycotoxins that are released into the air, and say if you put bleach on these, I hear that the mycotoxins are released even more. But I have not put any kind of powders on here, and when I started doing one of these, it started spraying all this white powder all over the place, so I don't know if that's mycotoxins or if it's just dead dusty debris from the lichens. We're going to use a mask. The cats are away. I think we're safe up here. This is one of the areas on the mold test kits that showed black mold. Underneath all this white and cream lichen stuff, I am seeing black materials. That could be like a more concentrated area of mold. But I'm hoping that the 3 pre-treatments of the vinegar and the clove oil helped at least kill some of it. This is a lot of work. Thank goodness there is only a few of these with the lichens on it. See all this dust flying from it? I don't know if that's mycotoxins or just dead stuff. I'm also going to be spraying these as I go so that I don't have to come back. These ones I did not spray or pre-treat, but these ones I did. We're just going to put a layer of white vinegar and clove oil on the pieces of wood, and then the air will dry it. I have plenty of this solution, and I think I'm also going to be cleaning with this stuff from now on because of its antibacterial and antifungal properties. This stuff is amazing. This is killing any mold on the surface and hopefully getting underneath the wood. Now I'm probably going to be hitting these up again later on just because I can't get some of the stuff off. Rocky, jump. What's mommy doing? very tedious work. Stuff is strong. I pre-mixed this stuff so that I could easily put it into here. There's clove oil already in there. It was much easier than trying to pour it from this big container. some of these white marks are going to probably stay on there unless I give them another go. That is one of the places where I pulled black mold off of the first time. I might have to hit that one up a little bit more, but the rest of them I got pretty much as I could. We sprayed down the entire thing again, and hopefully when I do a retest on this catwalk that the catwalk doesn't show mold, and I will test it in a couple different places. So that was a little tedious, a little bit more tedious than I thought. I think it would have been easier if I had like a pan or something to put underneath, or to hook something underneath to catch all of the debris, because when I was done cleaning the top, I had to go down and clean the counters as well as the floor. It might be easy to have some kind of pan or tray underneath. As far as retesting for that mold, I'm going to be doing a retest on all of the places in my house that had mold, and that after I thoroughly clean them all, I want to see if the mold is gone. This will help me determine if I need to take further steps in treating my house, like trying to find it behind the walls. Next step would probably be like a peroxide fogger or something, where you have to vacate the house and that peroxide fogger kills everything in your house. Bugs, mold, everything behind the walls, because I don't want to give my house up. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification each time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Picking the lichens off of my catwalk. Don't put any of this. Being killed off. Don't put any of that. Woohoo! Damn, I forgot my mask. Don't jump in there.